Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's wrap up the day. Um, Ketchup. I was handling the entire day. Look what it does. Oof. And by the way, it's in the break now. Change direction, but so. And by the way, yeah, 41. That's a neutral bar. And let's see. So the actual situation here is like this. But struggles to close above the bar, above the support of the daily. It's interesting. It's right in there. It's still in there. But yeah, doesn't matter the hour. Let me just close all of that actually. Uh, let's see the day. First things first. Baboosh. Good volume. Bearish, bearish, bullish. Qs on volume up thrust, unless some additional volume is going to be added after market. Boom. That looks like it. So late after hours, it gives a good volume, right? Okay, where am I again? Fjord. Fjord. Yeah, a little too abrupt. Now an automatic rally. Boom, 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 boom. Strength and weakness. But yeah, weird. Weird. Amazon is in correction now officially, but also right away at the sign of strength level. And you know how like a price magnet probably would push it toward this level. Why do I have a... So suggested after this volume, I should have discontinued and just look at this like an independent wave. So this 0.5 is also a possibility. So maybe it's not that critically above the 0.5. Maybe the real 0.5 is here in continuation of the trend. This thing, now it breaks the sign of strength, so never mind 0.5 anymore, doesn't matter. Dun, 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 dun. Hmm. If it closes below, then this level is done. So break. So never mind the 0.5. Hmm. It might close above the level. This is a break. So never mind the 0.5. I think here's the same. So yeah, once it broke the what happened here? Same as KHC, if it closes below, then it's gone. It's interesting. Now it has bigger volumes, and it will close in a spring, 2-bar spring, so never mind this volume doesn't matter anymore. Dun, 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 dun. Huh. This is no context on daily. This is context on daily. Ton volume spring. So also on volume 2-bar spring. To know what to do with it, but definitely not to trade. Ton volume spring. Only if it expands. IBM closes the impulse and correction begins. So this still grinds. This still grinds. This still grinds. This doesn't matter anymore, so like this. IPG. What I'm trying to say here. Oh. It's actually in the balance. I don't know why. Is it not on my hourly watch? Yeah. Boink. Boink. Just like this. And this is last hour of the day, last hour of the day, last hour of the day. So neither of this volume is our concern. So the biggest volume. Interesting. Boom. Automatic rally on CRM didn't work as planned. So, boo boo boo. Yeah. Why is it not on my um, hourly watch? A little bit too deep, but it's a big tail. Local extreme is here as well. Looks like an exhaustion a lot. Last hour, not the last hour. So there is a little bit of volume in our face. Just one. Yeah. Other than that, it's good. Continuation of the trend is our friend. It's a balance, but I wouldn't see it as such really, because more so following um, the trend. It happens very often when the wave is just like begins at support or resistance level, so it's not strong yet because it overcomes the resistance of the uh, opposite direction, old trend. So it forms a balance and then kind of crawls further and further, or rather farther and farther. Um, and there is no point to see it as a balance. Closer to the neutral zone, like somewhere here, yeah, it's a balance. Here, it's more like really. I'll keep it as a balance, but in my mind, no, it's a downtrend. So I'm saying I wouldn't take a swing trade from here if there was one, but there isn't. Oh, and it's actually a sign of strength, yeah. Nice, cute something. Cute little something. Yeah, this is wild though. Yeah, there's volumes. There are volumes. GM, same deal. Technically it's good, but practically it's just like creeples down slowly but surely. It didn't break that far, of course, and even the volume distribution is not right locally, so yeah, I'll be super scared. You see how like pew pew slowly cripples down? Would be very skeptical. I will be very skeptical. I am very skeptical about this whole thing. Dr. Pepper, I don't know, but ketchup and Dr. Pepper is something I'm looking at lately. It's not like I'm a big fan. Never use either. Okay. Did it reach 0.5 already? I think it did. Yeah. So here's the thing. It's counter trend, so 0.5 is the limit. So this 0.5 is stronger than this. But we see strengths and we see strengths again. So that was a strength, but this is stronger, more volume. So continue considering it short. And we have a marking for that. Yeah, no. That's a balance, and that's a short balance. And volumes up for us. Yeah, there is a little no, there is a little volume. No context on monthly whatsoever. It's counter trend balance. Now one up, and then this. Yeah. No, it didn't give us a chance to join the party. Oops, sorry, my battery's low. Not my, but my Mac. You know, people who have Macs, they don't say laptop, they say Mac. There is a certain Apple fetish, for sure. This is a balance. Counter trend balance. So we wouldn't trade coincidence of the levels, especially so tied. 206, 209, so. I'd say it's counter trend, not a balance. Well, same deal, very similar. 1 yard S&P 500. 1 yard total stock market. Douche. It's a balance. Goldman Sachs. I don't know why, but Goldman Sachs associates with Lehman Brothers and me. Did they take a nosedive during 2008? I mean, who didn't? But were they like on the front end of it? It's good for continuation of the trend. Yeah, I'm not gonna chart it now. Cisco revived. Doom, boom, 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 boom. Toronto Dominion. It's finally doing its move. Um, um, Arguably balanced, but practically I wouldn't treat it as such. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Let's see our biggest losers. Market is closed. Nothing like super sexy. And the volume distribution here is wrong, so I think no, it's unvolumed. Well, technically it is. But yeah. This volume is extremely weak. All volume is here. Oh no, it's from March. Yeah, April. All volume is down there, so I don't think there's anything for us. It went down. We changed direction through breaking by breaking T2 of the long wave, which means that change of direction is the first sign of change of direction, and um and we can have a sign of strength here. I mean, this is the main sign of strength, of course, but we can check this level too. And it's not critically far from 0.5. I think that's about it. Market is kind of red. It's none of my bother. I have enough stuff going on. It's getting more civil. Yeah, but oops, what happened here? It's getting more civil, but still, it's still not the best. Still not the best. and dangerously close to the transition extremum, which was here. Yeah, there's been an exhaustion. And it's still at that level. If you look at it. If you look at it. Yeah. This level is actually a little bit too big for the entire uptrend because it's a correction to the, I mean downtrend. And then in correction, we have the biggest volume, bigger than anywhere here. Weird. And it still holds, you see? If I continue an old wave, the upward wave, so that would be the sign of strength, and that would be the spring, and that would be the test and resumption. So, gotta be careful. Anyhow, I'm looking at Fjord, and I continue to keep an eye. Where's my KHC? Where's my ketchup? Uh, I continue to keep a close eye on ketchup. Huh, held the level. Look at this guy. And gave us the volume. Not the biggest volume. Still needs still a bullish bar. But yeah. And to play by the book, that was neutral bar, and that was one tick higher, so don't think I need to be that anal. It's counter-trend, but it has this volume. And it looks like it respects this volume. All this volume here, volume here. Yeah, I'll continue watching it. Okay, guys, take care. Trade responsibly on your own. Never listen to anyone. No one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people, such as myself.